I'll take the shortest time on how to solve this maths problem. So let's now start with the solution. So on our solution to this maths problem, we have 3 to the power of x, then plus 3 to the power of x is equals to 120. So we are asked to solve for the value for x. So the first thing that you need to do is to factorize this maths problem. So now we shall now have 3 to the power of x into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 120. From there now we shall now work out the bracket. So that is now 3 to the power of x. Then into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 120. So divide both sides by 2, then also this side by 2. So that now 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So now we shall now have 3 to the power of x is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 120, 60. So 3 to the power of x is equals to 60. So the first method of working out this maths problem is now to introduce the log on both sides. So now we shall now have the log of 3 to the power of x is equals to the log of 60. So when you have, for example, the log of k to the power of m, this one can be written as m, the log of k. So that now the log of 3 to the power of x, we shall now have it as x, the log of 3, is equals to the log of 60. So for us to remain with x alone on this other side, we shall now have to divide both sides by the log of 3. So here divide by the log of 3, then also this side by the log of 3. So log 3 and log 3 shall cancel. So now x is equals to the log of 60, then all over the log of 3. So let's now factorize this side completely. So now the value for x is equals to, so log 60 can be written as the log of 6 multiplied by 10, then all over the log of 3. So assuming we have, for example, the log of a multiplied by b, we shall now have this one as the log of a, then plus the log of b. So similarly, the value for x in this side can be written as the log of 6, then plus the log of 10, then all over. So now we shall now have it as all over the log of 3. So the next thing that you need to do is to divide both sides by the denominator, that is the log of 3. So that the value for x is equals to, so now we shall take the log of 6 all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 10, then all over the log of 3. So we can still have it as x is equals to log 6 can be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 2, then into bracket, then all over the log of 3, then plus, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then into bracket, all over the log of 3. So from here now we can write it by now saying that the value for x is equals to, now we shall now have the log of 3, then plus the log of 2, then all over. So let's now divide both by the log of 3. So all over the log of 3, then this one all over the log of 3, then plus. So in this case now we shall have the log of 5 plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 3, then all over still the log of 3. So we can now cancel each other, the ones that can cancel each other. So the value for x is equals to log 3 and log 3 can cancel. So now we shall now have it as 1 plus the log of 2, then all over the log of 3 plus, so the log of 5 all over the log of 3, then plus the log of 2 all over the log of 3. So in this case now we shall say that when you have the log of a all over the log of b, so this one can be written as the log of a to the base of b. So that means that now our final answer to this maths problem can be the value for x now is equals to 1 plus the log of 2, so the log of 2 to the base of 3, plus the log of 5 to the base of 3, plus the log of 2 to the base of 3. So these are now shall qualifies to be our correct answer for the value for x. So if you have a question up to that point, you can also comment, and if you have got this answer as the correct one, congratulations. So let's now confirm this answer if it is true. So our maths problem was 3 to the power of x, then plus 3 to the power of x is equals to 120. So in this case, instead of writing the value for x, we shall write the answer that we got. So now we shall have 3 to the power of 1, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 3, then also plus the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus again 3 to the power of 1, plus the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus the log of 5 to the base of 3, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 3 is equals to 120. So in this case now we can still have it as 3 to the power of 1. So 3 to the power of 1, then the plus means multiplication. Again 3 to the log of 2 to the base of 3, then plus means multiplication again. 3 to the log of 5 to the base of 3, then the plus again means multiplication. 3 to the log of 2 to the base of 3, then shall still have plus again 3 to the power of 1, then multiply by 3 to the log of 2 to the base of 3, multiply by again 3 to the log of 5 to the base of 3, then also multiply by 3 to the log of 2 to the base of 3 is equals to 120. So when you cancel this part, 3 to the power of 1 is 3. So we can still have it as 3 to the power of 1, that is 3, then multiply by. So the log of 3 to the base of 3 can cancel. So here now we shall have 2, multiply by the log of 3 to the base of 3 cancel. We shall now have it as 3, multiply by the log of 3 to the base of 3 cancel, multiply by 2 again, then also plus. So 3 to the power 1 is 3, multiply by the log of 3 to the base of 3 cancel, 2, multiply by the log of 3 to the base of 3 cancels, then 5, then multiply by the log of 3 to the power of 3 cancel, 2 is equals to 120. So when you work it out very fast, so here now we shall have 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6, 6 multiplied by 5 is, that is 30, 30 multiplied by 2 is 60, then plus also this side is 60 is equals to 120. So 60 plus 20 is 120 is equals to 120. So it means that the answer that we got earlier on is correct. So if you loved how we worked out this maths problem, don't forget to subscribe to this channel.